Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Brownie here today with another video. So in the last video you saw I removed the front stock mirrors and I added the Rizoma plates, which I really love. And then to replace the mirror I use Oxford bar end mirrors. So they work great. They have a concave glass, so they cover a lot of angle. They're really nice, they work really well, but I don't like the functionality on these. I don't like the aesthetics of it, because I feel like they don't really complement the bike overall. So I ended up ordering stealth mirrors, which just came in. So what I'm going to do is remove the bar and mirrors, then we'll install the stealth mirrors. So these are the stock ones. I'm going to put back on, and that's the mirror. I haven't even opened yet, still on the seal. Anyways, I'll see you shortly. Really nice. Let's open these suckers. They look nice. Oh man, scan before installing. They just feel so premium. I can just tell by the packaging. Whew. It should be fairly simple install. You just got the screws that go into the plate socket. So I have to remove those. Alright, so I'm going to put this on the side. And then there should be screws or something. So nothing in the package itself. To use my... Okay. These screws from the original mirror, OEM, so I'm going to take those off. And I'll see you shortly. Mirrors are done. What do you guys think? I personally really like them, how it looks. I haven't tested them out. I probably need to do a ride, but this is how it looks from the back. Fix the exposure, hang on. So more like this. They look pretty dope. It looks like they were meant for it. They don't look like a third party. They're pretty durable. I mean, it's pretty tight. You can't just flip it if you want. Takes a bit of an effort to flip that. Oh, I see. That's kind of nice. I think there's a screw right here that you can probably use to make it either more softer. I'm assuming you can do that. I don't know if you can see it or not, but hang on. Let's see if we can change. So like a tiny screw there that you can probably play with to feel the tension. Alright, sorry about that. This should be much better now. So, yeah, I really like them. I'll have to test them out to see the functionality. But overall, that's it guys. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll see you next time.